Hello esteemed viewers, welcome to our mathematics tutorial for today. In today's tutorial, we are going to solve an interesting Olympiad exam question. We are asked to solve for x if x to the power of x to the power of 77 is equal to 77. This is going to be a nice exponential equation solution. So stay tuned and watch how we'll uncover the value of x in this equation. Remember to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I upload my latest daily Maths Olympiad content. Now, whenever you are given this question, the first thing that should come to your mind whenever you are given any question that looks like this is to see how you can clear this power, because that power is a very big obstacle in whatever problems we will be solving. So to clear that power, the first thing that should come to your mind is to multiply through by the power of 77, by this exponent 77. So if we do that, we are going to have our x to the power of x to the power of 77 all multiplied by 77, and this will be equal to whatever we apply to the left hand side will apply to the right hand side. So we'll raise the both power to the power of 77. So having done this, what we will now do is remember the laws of logarithm. We will have a to the power of x all to the power of y. It's going to give us this can be equal to a to the power of y all to the power of x. So if we apply that over here, we're going to have this to become x to the power of 77, with this coming right in, and then all of that will be equal to x to the power of 77, with this all going out. So this will be equal to 77 to the power of 77. Now, what do you see? You've come to see that the denominator is equal to the denominator. This is equal to this, and this is equal to this. So we'll take one part. If we take one part, we're going to have x to the power of 77 to be equal to 77. Now we've arrived to a point we need to also simplify, and the next simplification is to see how we'll clear this 77. It's more like a big obstacle to this solution. So what we are going to do is to multiply through once more with the power of 1 divided by 77. So this will give us s to the power of 77 multiplied by the power of 1 divided by 77, and this will be equal to 77 to the power of 1 divided by 77. Now, according to the law of indices, the power will multiply. If the power multiplies, we'll have our s to the power of 77 multiplied by 1 divided by 77, and this will be equal to 77 to the power of 1 divided by what? 77. So this will clear this, and we'll have our x to be equal to 77 to the power of 1 divided by 77. Now recall that if you have a to the power of 1 divided by 2, it can still be equal to square root of a. If you have a to the power of 1 divided by 4, it can still be equal to the fourth root of a. So if we apply that here, we are going to see that that value will give us our x to be equal to the 77th root of what? Of 77. Now, is this real? Let's go and look. Let's check our calculator. Let's point our calculator to get a value for the 77th root of 77. Now let's look at that. We'll go to a Demos calculator in demos.com, Now we want to look for the 77th root of 77. If we look for the 77th root of 77, what will it give us? That will give us equal to, look at what it gives us, 1.058. Fine. So that gives us, and that makes our x to be equal to 1.058. Now I want to give you a little task. Come up here and substitute the value of x to be equal to 1.058 and see in the left hand side to see if you can get 77 on the right hand side. Whatever you do, whatever the solution is, don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section, and I will be so glad to chat up with you and communicate with you as regard what your solution are. This is the best I can give for you for now. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more simplified Maths Olympiad solution. Bye bye for now and see you.